A very warm-hearted welcome to all of you in the most prestigious and leading institute of Central India called Kautilya Academy, Jabalpur branch. In this series of video lectures, I used to discuss about the previous year mains questions of MPPSC. Specifically, today's topic belongs to MPPSC mains 2020. Fine. This is paper number first, unit number 5, related with the disaster management. Fine. Commonly, this question is also present in the mains 2021 in 3 marker, and this question was in 11 marker also. Fine. So you can easily understand that this part is very common and easily fittable in manner in all the format of questions like 3 marker, like 5 marker, and in 11 marker. Fine. So this topic is highly flexible and most important one. Why? There are very limited topics of disaster like tsunami, volcano, earthquake, all this part. Fine. So the today's topic is 2004 tsunami. 2004 tsunami. I used to repeat the question. That question is explain the major causes and the effect of 2004 tsunami. Fine. With respect to India and in world. Fine. So question directly used to ask that what are the causes and what are the effect of 2004 tsunami. Fine. If this question is framed into the 3 marker, you only have to explain about 2 or 3 dimensions like इसका hotspot किधर था, इसका major effect किधर आया, and all this part. Dates you can mention is 26th of December, 7th of December 2004. This is a very overview and a very superficial part. You can easily make the answer. Fine. But if this used to be present in the 11 marker, fine, so you have to frame the answer. Like in previous video I used to discuss that you have to make a brief introduction of answer. Fine. Like you have to explain that what is tsunami. Fine. Tsunami is a Japanese word and the meaning of this is is an Arabic word, and the meaning of this is tidal waves. But nothing is related with the tsunami. Word tsunami is not related, is also related with the is a tidal wave. But tsunami waves are never related with the part. Fine. I think you can easily understand that tsunami word belongs to genesis of tidal waves. But the event tsunami is never related with the tides. Fine. So in a introduction you can put this information, and then you can went for the mains. Then you can went for the main body of the answer, and the main body is divided into 2 parts. First one is the causes, and the other one is the effect. Fine. And lastly you can draw a conclusion. Fine. First make sure मैं directly जा रहा हूँ conclusion के side. Conclusion में you have to put in every mains का disaster management का question, you have to put mitigation. You have to put the solution of the disaster. Fine. So mitigation में you can easily put in case of tsunami or in case of volcanic eruption or in case of is like cyclones. Fine. You can put a example of DART. Fine. I used to draw this DART. What is DART? DART is Deep Ocean Assessment and Reporting of Tsunami. Fine. This is DART. Fine. So make sure DART is nothing but a system established by government after 2004 tsunami to overcome the problem of disaster like tsunami, volcano, and all that. Fine. So the conclusion of this discussion is, if question used to be framed in 11 marker, you have to put a simple introduction, go with the main body, and in case of disaster management you have to put a conclusion by putting mitigation of the disaster. Fine. मैंने directly solution बताया is DART. DART is Deep Ocean Assessment and Reporting of Tsunami. Fine. So this one is the conclusion. Now we can start with the main answer, which is framed by PSC. Okay. Fine. So 2004 का tsunami, first dimension they used to ask is what are the causes of tsunami. Fine. Causes of 2004 disaster. Fine. Now make sure there is a big event of 2004 tsunami. By the known history of human evolution, we perfectly knows that अब तक का सबसे डिजास्टरस सुनामी इज 2004 का इवेंट इन विच अ वोल्केनो कॉल्ड क्रांकाताओ प्रेजेंट इन द आइलैंड्स. मेक श्योर देयर इज अ convergent plate area present near to the Andaman and Indonesia area near to an island called Sumatra. There is a volcano. Fine, this is a factual information. You have to put this part that near about 2004 a convergent plate boundary present in the Andaman and Sumatra Island. Sumatra Island is part of Indonesia, and there is a volcano by the name of Krakatau volcano. Is Krakatau volcano. And make sure Krakatau volcano is blast, and this used to cause a very destructive near about 9.4 magnitudes earthquake. Find this used to cause 9.18 magnitude. In some places you will find 9.8 magnitude is a finally understandable part. Fine, is 9.18 magnitude earthquake, and this used to trigger 2004 tsunami of 2004. Now make sure this is a very generalized information. Why? Because the reality is Krakatau never used to exploit. Fine, the reality is Krakatau is subjected. This is Krakatau, and you will find Krakatau is subjected with a parasite volcano. Fine, and the name of that parasite volcano is Anakrakatau. Fine, the reality is everyone used to say that Krakatau was exploited, but the reality is uska parasite volcano by the name of Anakrakatau was blast. Fine, the reality is if Krakatau used to be blast, the reality is Andaman Nicobar Island, even you will find half of India, that is pura peninsular India, was submerged if this volcano was blast. Fine. Make sure Indonesia is a place of volcanoes and earthquake. Fine, and the stuff is this, that lastly there is a lake by the name of Toba Lake. Toba Lake was initially was a volcano and was hugely blast near about 55,000 years ago, and this used to cause death of 80% of Homo sapiens in that part. Fine. So make sure there is a word called graveyard of human life, Indonesia. Why? Because plenty of time you will find Indonesia used to cause death. Indonesian arc of island used to cause death of mass human population. Fine. Now back to pavilion. Make sure ke convergent plate boundary near about Indonesia and specifically near about Sumatra, Krakatau was blast, and or Krakatau specifically is Anakrakatau used to blast, and this used to cause triggering of 2004 ka tsunami. This is a brief answer of what are the causes of 2004 tsunami. Fine. Now make sure next part of the question used to talk about these are the major keywords. You can explain in two or three words, and that's why that this is more than sufficient to write a full answer. Fine. And the next one is effects of this tsunami. Fine. Make sure what are the major effects. Just imagine. Fine, just imagine everyone used to wrote that answer while saying that severe economic losses, severe human life loss, severe animal diversity loss. These are very common, and these are very lethargic way to write any answer. Fine, make sure the major effect. Why examination used to ask this question frequently? The reason is the effect of this tsunami was far greater than what student used to explain in the answer. Fine, you will find 2004 ka tsunami was that much powerful that अर्थ यूज टू डिबाउच फ्रॉम इट्स एक्सेस नियर अबाउट 5 सेंटीमीटर. व्हाट डज इट मीन्स? इट मीन्स दैट अर्थ अपने ही एक्सेस पे 5 सेंटीमीटर जंप एंड बाउंस करा था जिस टाइम पे इस अर्थक्वेक का प्रोपोगेशन हुआ. फाइन. यू विल फाइंड इंडोनेशिया के बाद आर्क ऑफ आइलैंड स्टार्ट होता है बाय द नेम ऑफ अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड. जस्ट इमेजिन अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड्स वाज शिफ्टेड बाय 15 मीटर फ्रॉम इट्स ओरिजिन प्लेस. फाइन. 15 मीटर अपने प्लेस से डिस्प्लेस हो गया था अंडमान निकोबार आइलैंड जिस टाइम पे ये सुनामी आया था. मेक श्योर जिस टाइम पे सुनामी आया अंडमान निकोबार का सदर्न मोस्ट पॉइंट विच इज इंडिया सदर्न मोस्ट पॉइंट वॉज सबमर्ज्ड बिलो द ओशन. फाइन. दिस इज इंदिरा पॉइंट. इंदिरा पॉइंट आज भी पानी के अंदर है. वी यूज टू कंसीडर इट एज अ मेनलैंड पार्ट बट द रियलिटी इज दिस पॉइंट इज सबमर्ज्ड बिलो द ओशन. फाइन. थर्ड इफेक्ट you will find just because of this earthquake Burmese plate commonly known as Myanmar was shifted by 10 kilometer. just imagine एक पूरा का पूरा nation was shifted from its origin place and the reality is the distance is near about 10 kilometer. 10 किलोमीटर म्यांमार शिफ्ट हुआ. अर्थ अपने एक्सेस पे जंप एंड बाउंस हुआ. अंडमान निकोबार आइलैंड्स पूरे शिफ्ट हुए 15 मीटर. एंड द रियलिटी इज यू विल फाइंड ड्यू टू दिस सुनामी नेक्स्ट 7 ईयर के लिए अर्थ का डे टाइम वॉज रिड्यूस्ड बाय 0.05 सेकेंड. फाइन. दीज आर द मेजर इफेक्ट्स ऑफ सुनामी. जस्ट इमेजिन कितना डिस्ट्रक्टिव रहा होगा ये सुनामी कि इसने अर्थ के मेजोरिटेरियन पार्ट को इफेक्ट करा. फाइन. दिस वॉज ग्रेस ऑफ गॉड दैट इस वोल्केनिक इरप्शन में मास अमाउंट ऑफ डस्ट एंड एशेज रिलीज नहीं हुआ. अदरवाइज इसका पोटेंशियल वॉज एबल टू कॉज ट्रिगरिंग ऑफ आइस एज इन साउथ ईस्ट एशिया. फाइन. फॉर अ सब्जेक्टिव मैटर यू कैन पुट एग्जाम्पल लाइक 15 nations was affected and you will find this used to cause effect on more than 35 lakh population. And you can put a dimension also that immediate death after this volcanic eruption within 48 hours is near about 22.5 lakhs immediate after. Fine. And इसके बाद propagation and all the other factors are present. Fine. You can put also a conventional part like economic loss, diversity loss, soil erosion, soil acidification, but this is very common part. This is not the aim to ask the question. If they want to ask, they used to put that what are the causes, what are the effects of tsunami individually. But if they used to ask 2004 का tsunami, then 4 का tsunami is famous not for the soil erosion, not for the ocean acidification, but this tsunami is famous for अर्थ के ऊपर इफेक्ट. लाइक अर्थ जंप एंड बाउंस हो रहा है, अंडमान निकोबार शिफ्ट हो रहा है, म्यांमार प्लेट शिफ्ट हो रही है, अर्थ का डे टाइम कम हो रहा है. फाइन. दैट्स व्हाई दे यूज्ड टू आस्क दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन. Fine. So you can frame an answer in 11 marker as well as in 3 marker. If this used to come in 3 marker, you have to only put about these dimensions only. Fine. But if this is present in 11 marker, I have to explain all these part. If you put 2 or 3 lines, is near about 250 words. Fine. I hope this video is a value addition for you. This video used to teach you how to write a good answer, how to frame an answer, and we'll come with the next part. Next part will be the geography or some other subjects. Thank you for watching this video. We'll continue in next video. Thank you.